Router Tools is a leading brand that offers a range of high-quality tools for woodworking enthusiasts. There are many products available to choose Router Tools, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best router tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Router. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Router is a versatile tool for your woodworking needs. The dual LED lights illuminate your work surface, while the depth adjustment ring allows for quick and easy height adjustments. The electronic brake ensures faster motor shutdown once the unit is turned off, and the variable speed dial enables you to match the tool's speed to the application. The soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback helps maintain speed during cuts. Number 2. Bosch 1617 EVSBK Wood 12 Amp Router Tool Combo Kit. The Bosch 1617 EVSBK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit is a versatile and durable tool for woodworking. It features aluminum construction with wooden handles on a fixed base and a soft grip handle on a plunge base. The rounded hardwood handles maximize user control, and the micro-fine bit depth adjustment makes it easy to use. The built-in constant response circuitry ensures a constant speed throughout the cut, resulting in cleaner, more accurate results. The user can set the optimal speed, 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, for more or less power. The kit includes a plunge base, fixed base, a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet chucks, shaft wrench, collet nut wrench, chip shields, and carrying case. Number 3. Wood Router Combo Kit. In-Hulk Router Kit is an ideal combo kit for woodworking beginners and DIYers. It includes a fixed base router, plunge base, basic accessories, and guides, making it easy to start right out of the box. The 6.5 amp motor is powerful enough for various wood projects, and the optional plunge base with precise depth settings can be used for a broad range of woodworking. With adjustable speed and depth, the router enables precise roundover or straight cutting on various woods. The soft starting function allows smooth control over power-up phase, and the vibration-reducing cast aluminum housing and rubberized handles reduce vibration for increased comfort and control. The quick-release cam lock system makes it easy to operate, and the dust hood is compatible with a vacuum for a mess-free finish, fixed base only. Number 4. Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP Compact Router Tools. The Avid Power Compact Router for woodworking is a versatile tool that features a powerful 6.5 amp motor with a variable speed control dial, allowing users to choose a more appropriate speed for different materials. Its smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system ensures precise operation for a range of cabinetry and woodworking applications, while the dual bright LED lights illuminate dark working areas. The router also features an ergonomic design with a rubber-covered handle for a comfortable grip and a quick locking system for convenient depth adjustments and base changes. Additionally, the durable aluminum body and base ensure long-term durability, and the dust hood removes dust to leave a clean workspace. The package includes the router tool with a 12.1 FT/3.7 M cord, 5 router bits, edge guide, roller guide, dust hood, 3/8 and 1/4 collet, wrench, and tool bag. Number 5. VERWOOD Plunge Router. The VERWOOD router is a versatile 2-in-1 combo tool that comes with both a fixed base and a plunge base. With a powerful 1.25 HP motor and 6 variable speeds, this wood router allows for precise control and can handle various woodworking tasks such as trimming, grooving, cabinet processing, and surface finishing. The constant speed soft start system ensures improved control, and the overheat protection feature automatically powers off the motor when it overheats. The router also features a pinion depth adjustment system and a quick-release cam lock system for easy depth adjustment and base removal/installation. With its stability and complete accessories, the VERWOOD router is a reliable tool for any woodworking project.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.